Shit always scares me like it's gonna. Oh my goodness. I just don't want it flying everywhere. I did it. It's time to put it in the fucking bed. I was gonna call it batter, but I'm like, okay, I need 2 hands for this. I've never done a water bath before on a cheesecake, and today I did. And didn't realize that, wow, it was gonna come out this fucking soft. So as I'm cutting the fucking sides, it fucked it up. Hi, if you're watching this, it's because you're an idiot and you completely forgot that you shouldn't run the knife around the rim of the cheesecake before it even fucking sets. Anyway, that's what happened with my cheesecake. As you can see here, I've made a total boo-boo. Luckily enough, I'm kind of creative, so we're gonna salvage this one. Alright, so remember my cheesecake fiasco a few minutes today? I'm gonna fix that shit today. So first of all, I'm going to melt some plain Doritos Chocolaties au beurre de rye chide. I'm kidding, that's peanut butter ice cream with like chocolate and stuff. I'm gonna let it melt room temperature, and yeah. Then we are going to boil some water. So what I'm going to do is I'm also going to use a Lindor chocolate bar and Nutella to add to this thing. Alright, once the water is boiling, put this mini bowl, if you have one, ow that's hot, into it. And you are going to grab a tablespoon and grab a tablespoon of butter. I'm whisking away. Alright, okay, cool. So, after that, you are going to add the melted ice cream into the bowl. I put like a whole bowl of it, but really, I'm not really going to use all of that. I don't know why I did that. So I would say maybe about half of this bowl will go in there. Alright, whisk that away. So I'm using ice cream because I don't have milk. And I read somewhere that using ice cream is totally cool too. And I was like, yo, I have ice cream lying around. Then I would add 7 cubes of this Lindor chocolate into the bowl. Whisk it the F away. And I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of Nutella. Yes, 2 tablespoons. Then we are also going to add around 1/4 cup of confectionery sugar. Whisk it away. Honestly, it was so sad seeing my cheesecake like this. It truly, truly, truly was. But, you know, I'm gonna salvage this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the ends of the cheesecake to make something out of the ends. Well, everybody knows I can't cut straight. So I fucked it up some more. But that's not the best part. The best part is this. What the fuck did I do? You know, I was picturing like the ends would be really fucking nice. But now I have this mess. Or is it a mess? So I'd like to thank Top Chef for allowing me to develop quick thinking skills when things don't go your way. So as you can see, what I'm scooping are the ends of the cheesecake that I have cut and failed miserably at doing so. But you see how soft it is? Anyway, I'm gonna put it in this container and we are just gonna flatten it. It's like mush. It's like mashed potatoes, yum. Alright, now that we've put the egg salad, the cheesecake in the container, it is time to test just how genius or how stupid. Ah, that's fucking hot! Okay, yeah, I'm stupid, hold on. It's time to test how genius or how, you know, this is really hard without fucking mitts. Hot, 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 hot. Okay. Alright, there you go. Oof, okay. We are going to put this glazing on top. Anyway, oh my god, I tested it. Holy shit, it was pretty fucking good. I'm gonna put this in the freezer for about an hour. Kind of let it. Alright, so today I made just regular cheesecake and I made the cheesecake with the chocolate glazing on top. It's like chocolate, Nutella, ice cream. Okay guys, go and try and tell me how it goes.